Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet me again, Septiana Wahid, So English family. Guys, today I have a new camping tent. Okay, it's quite big for 8 persons. And then this is completely just came yesterday. Okay, so actually I'm not yet open it. So I want to give you review about this. I'll give you the review. I'll give you the channel where I bought this. I bought this from Bandung. Okay, the price is around 1.9 million. So is it worth it for you or not? Give me any comment below, and I will give you complete review about this tent. Okay, is it waterproof or not? Is it wind resistant or windproof or not? I will let you know. Okay. Now I got Kang Yadi, yes. Right? Kang Yadi from Cibodas. Okay, we are now in Cibodas. I forgot to tell you that we are now in Cibodas. We will have a camp here for 3 days and 2 nights, and we bring here new tent from Bandung. Kang Yadi and then Kang Eko and Kang Ochim will help me to build this tent because completely 0%. I don't know how to set this tent. Okay. Okay. Keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my content. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so we got, if you see here, we got 2 layers for the door. So one is with the net and the other one is the fly sheet with the parachute. And they install the second layer. That's the second layer. Okay, second layer, the outer, and actually this tent is custom. So I asked. Actually, they don't. If you want to compare, come. If you want to compare with another dome tent, there's no window here. But I'm asking to the maker to make additional window outside. So there's a back door, but actually the back door is not for the door, for the whole way, no. But there's the back door only for the window. So in the noon, during the day, inside it's not really hot inside. Okay, come look around. Together with Kang Yadi, to be honest, if I cannot make by myself. Thanks God there's Kang Yadi, the Cibodas crew, the one that helping me to make this, to be honest, difficult tent. So this is the, let's say this one is the fly sheet, the additional fly sheet that I asked to the maker to add additional door and additional cover canopy in front, because in case there's a raining, so we don't need to cook outside, so we just close it and cook inside. Come. If you see, if we compare with the other tent here, this is dome tent. The other dome tent here, we see there's no additional canopy, additional door, right? This is the original one, but I'm asking to the maker to make the additional one is here. So this is additional mattress for our foyer. So we got foyer in front in case we want to cook something there. Ini ada cantelannya, Kang. Nah, we got like a hanger. So we can fold it this. You see, in case we want to have a better view. Actually, we can release this. We can release this if you want to have better view. So this is the foyer. Come closer. So there's attached in the corner. Come, look at that. See that? Attached. So even the foyer will be waterproof. So in case there's a big raining from here, it never get in because the mattress will bend it upward. So the back door we can fold it. We can wrap up and then make the winds flow inside. So inside it's not really hot, and make sure this between the inner and the outer is not attached, it's not stick together. So there's a space here, so if there's a big rain, inshallah, God willing, it will never leaking.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so now we will get in or check inside. Let's go. Come. Here, if you see here, I'm asking for additional hanger in case we want to cook something outside on the foyer, so we can just hang the lamp here. Okay, and it's really helping. Net, double layer for the door. Okay, and the nets. Why the net's really important? To make sure there's no bugs, especially during the day. So many bugs will try to get in, especially in the afternoon. So you can just close it like that, and it's double button. Okay, get in. Come. And we still can tie it like this. Okay, come, get in. Okay. So see this? Come, get in. This is 185. 185, very high. And there's another hanger here to hang the lamp. Okay, 185. You can pray. Yes, 3 times 3. 8 people can be fit here. 8 people can be fit, inshallah. Okay. Thank you very much. Again, I will give you the link or the phone number if you interested with this dome tent. Actually, I highly recommend it for you, and it's affordable. Only 1.9 million with those facilities, with those things that you got. Additional tent, additional window. Okay, this thing here 2. Okay, 3 times 3. I think that's enough for your big family. No, not big family. 6 people. Good. Okay guys, I think that's all for the review about the tent. So now it's up to you. Either you want to buy from Decathlon or you want to buy the local tent from Bandung. Thank you very much for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.